past 8 years with Technical Prospects, we have been able to provide solutions for our customers. We have provided both parts and technical support. We have recently expanded into service, and now we've expanded even further into MRI applications.
As we continue to deliver on our promises to our customers, it becomes clear that application, clinical application, understanding of protocols, understanding of troubleshooting, image quality issues related to operation faults are the top priority of what we have promised our customer to deliver. Therefore, Technical Prospect did make the investment and brought the top talents to continue the research and the delivery of options for our clinical needs, technologists, field engineers, regional tech supports, endless options of classes about continuous education for technologists or about training for engineers about troubleshooting image quality issues related to application, as well as to give the technologists that 24/7 available clinical application support. So when they do have a problem while they are scanning or developing a protocol or an artifact of certain fashion, especially in the MRI, our very first modality that we engage this application initiative with. It becomes clear that the feedback we start receiving from our customers is highly satisfactory, and it's worth the investment because we're solving a problem. Often, the only way to get clinical application support is through the OEM. Now they have another option, Technical Prospects.
It's very exciting for us at Technical Prospects to be adding MR applications to our portfolio. And what's great about the program is it is offered in several different mechanisms. So you're going to have the ability to have on-site support. You can come to Technical Prospects here at our headquarters and have classroom time, hands-on machine time, and there's also the ability to get support via the telephone.
How can clinical application support benefit your biomed and engineering department? As engineers, we are often unable to look at a protocol and determine what is incorrect in it that is causing an artifact or an image quality deficiency. Our application specialist is able to assist your engineers in determining, is this a problem with the protocol or is it a problem with your equipment?
As an application specialist instructor, my job is to help the customer, specifically MRI technologists, to solve any kind of issues that they might have with their actual software.
So when somebody needs MRI application support, our application support technologist calls them and works through the issues that they're having over the phone. A lot of times that could be handled with an email and a full description of what to take care of and how to fix the issue, or they could simply do it over the phone if it's something simple.
On occasion, the customer might request for on-site applications, which in that case I will go out to the customer site and train them or help them with any kind of issues that they might have. So I'm basically just being there to help them out. On occasion, I might go to the customer site either for a brand new system and they've never worked on it before. I will go out and show them how to use it. Or if it's an artifactual type related situation where I couldn't help them over the phone, that would also be a possibility where I would fly out to the customer site and help them out. Certain things that can be resolved over the phone are software related issues, protocol related issues, and on occasion some artifacts can be resolved over the phone. Okay, so presently Technical Prospects now has these virtual courses that customers can register online, and these are specifically for MRI technologists. The courses are accredited by the ARRT and instructor-led as well.
MRI application is only the beginning to continue the delivery to our industry, to what we listen to our customers and their needs. Stay tuned. CT application coming, a deepened analysis of analytics coming. We're heavily working on our machine learning capacity, and we're heavily enhancing our remote diagnostic capability. Thank you Technical Prospects will be always here to listen and to deliver on our promises for you.